How to delete Google Photos without deleting from phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can delete Google Photos without deleting from our phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Google Photos actually makes it quite confusing because it acts also as a gallery app, and maybe you are not being able to distinguish between the photos that are stored on your device versus the photos that are not stored on your device but only backed up to cloud. And maybe you want to delete the photos that are only backed up to your cloud and not delete the ones that are on your device. So the most easiest way to do this is to simply use a browser version of Google Photos, which will not act as a gallery app. So you can simply go to photos.google.com. When you go to photos.google.com, sign in with your Google account. It will only show you the photos that are backed up to Google Photos. So they will not show the photos because this is not a gallery app, this is a web version. It will not show the photos that are stored on your device, but only the photos that are already backed up to Google Photos. Now you can simply delete them completely safely over here. So that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from phone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.